what are we making today?
We're making pumpkin.
Pumpkin cookies.
Good? Is it? I can do it. I can.
JP!
Sorry, but I like this so much.
What color is pumpkin?
Green, white, orange.
They can be orange, yes. They can be green. What other color?
Yellow.
Yeah, and white.
Yeah. And also orange, white. Look at the beautiful pumpkin. Look at the beautiful pumpkin.
How big do you think is the world's largest pumpkin?
This big.
Like this?
Yeah.
Do you know how many kilograms may weigh?
100 million.
100 million kilograms?
Uh-huh.
That's a really big pumpkin.
This is the world's biggest pumpkin. Weigh 1,247 kilograms. Time to clean.